Hey, I wanted to show you the most powerful tool in my shop. This little bitty thing. Size for size, it really is. What is it? It's a little air blower. It's kind of like you took your leaf blower and shrunk it down. This thing is powerful. I'm gonna tell you all about it. Okay, I discovered this on YouTube. I don't remember what channel. I know Project Farm has demonstrated them. A lot of you know him. And I think this is one of the ones he recommended. This thing is a powerhouse. I use it all the time. And why might you want to consider such a little bitty thing? Well, these things are a lot more powerful than you would think. I mean, I was blown away, you know, literally. I'm going to show you a couple examples of what it can do, but basically it's this tiny little fan that blows way harder than, say, canned air. I've used a lot of cans of canned air for computers, for all kinds of things. You know, you're always needing some canned air. And these things get expensive for just some compressed air. You don't need this much anymore. There may be cases where once in a while this is the best way to go, but this thing has been doing everything I want, and it's rechargeable. Not gonna have to buy any more of those cans. This thing is kind of a lifetime. It's made by Wolfbox. I'm gonna put a link to it in the description, but let me show you a few things it can do. Okay, you may think this little bitty thing can't possibly put out much air. Or you're saying, oh sure, you condense it down to a little point and you can get out some decent pressure like this. That's not really the case. I don't know how they do it. This thing spins really fast. I forget what the RPM is. It's really fast. But let's just show you. This is a clear plastic bag I've got. I'm gonna blow this thing up real quick and just see what kind of air it puts out here. Here we go. It's coming out the top there, and a lot was leaking out. It puts out a lot. Now, let me give you an example. One of the things it's handy for is blowing off your tools. Now, normally, I like to vacuum off the excess first with my shop vac, but I'm gonna blow off some of it just to show you how well this works. It should be on camera here. And you can see it just easily blows all this off, and it's quiet, doesn't make much noise, and that quick you can blow off your tools. Now, like I said, I kind of hate blowing it all over with my cameras here, so I'm going to leave it at that. But let's show you another example. Then we're going to measure it and compare it. We've got 5 cats. We love animals. One day we're going to have dogs when we're not living here in the city. We're living in a barn dominium right now. This is one of our HEPA air filters, and if we were to buy these, every time they get dirty like this, you can see it gets worse. If we don't clean it about once a month, we would have to buy one once a month. So now I just go outside, I'm gonna do a little bit in here, and I just blow it out with this thing. Let's start from here. I just blew this off a few weeks ago. Like I said, I have to do this about once a week, so it's actually not bad. Normally a cloud of dust and hair goes everywhere, but you can see it blows off the hair really easy. And that quick, it's clean. There's really not much dust in there, because again, I just blew it off, but it works great on blowing off filters. Now let's measure the wind speed. I've got this little anemometer here. See if we can get close enough. I'm gonna set this on miles per hour, because I don't know what half these other things are. I know what miles per hour is. And let's see if I can show you guys. Okay, I think this thing maxes out at 65 miles an hour, somewhere right around there. But we're gonna put it about 3 inches away. I don't know the scientific distance. We're just going to measure it from about 3 inches away. It's getting close to 60 miles an hour. It just went over So at 65 miles an hour. So you can see the point is it puts out a lot. I thought I'd share this with you this holiday season. I've never done these tool videos, but I've got a few I'm gonna put out. So this is the Wolfbox. I'll put a link to it in a description down below. And hey, check out our store, toolfuse.com, if you want to check out some cool painting tools like this newly upgraded metal shaft version of our SpinClean that will clean your paint roller in under 30 seconds. See you on the next video, everybody.
I thought I couldn't do drywall, it just seemed too tough. The seams and the sanding, man, that stuff looked rough. Then I found that Kilted guy, oh what a ride. He broke it down easy, step by step with pride. Now I'm taping, mudding, smoothing like a pro. If I can do it, you can too. You know that Kilted guy, he'll show you how.